To connect stores, you need to go to the stores page, click on Connect New Store, and you will see two options, one to invite them via email, and the other to connect with them using the store key, which is given to every store after they install Syncio. If you select the Invite via email option, all you need to do is enter the email address for that store, and then click Send Invite. At the top right, you will see a message saying, Invitation email was sent successfully. The store will then receive an email with instructions and your store key, allowing them to connect with you. Once the other store installs Syncio, they will see their own store key in their dashboard, which is different from the one you received. If they want to connect with your store, they have to go to the stores page, click on Connect New Store, select the option Connect via Store Key, and they will just need to enter your store key, the one you sent them with your email invitation. Click on Connect, and at the top right, they will see a message saying, The store is now connected.